If you want to add information to a data entry without inserting the information to the cell itself, you can use the Notes function in Google Sheets. Similarly, if you want to comment on a certain point, you can use the comment option, and this will start a conversation with other users. These two different functions in Google Sheets have very similar uses, but it's important to note the distinction. As you can see, a note has been added to this cell, which contains supplementary information about the data contained within. This is distinct from this cell here, which contains a comment, and this comment can be discussed and added to by other users who are collaborating on the document. As you can see, Mike Jones has already replied to this comment, and I can read his reply below. If I want to add a note to a cell in my document, then I simply need to click to select the cell and then right-click and go down to Insert Notes. If I click here, then a note box will appear and I can type in the detail that I want to add. Once I've finished adding my note, I simply need to click elsewhere in order to apply it. Now I can see that the black marker appears in the corner, and whenever I hover my mouse over this, it will be displayed. Notes can be very easily deleted from your document simply by right-clicking and going down to Clear Notes. When I select this option, the note will be removed from my document and will no longer appear. I can add comments to my document in a very similar way. If, for example, I want to add a comment to this cell, I simply need to click it to select it and then right-click and go down to Insert Comment. When I click here, this will open up the comment box and I can type my comment in here. Once you've entered your comment, you simply need to click on the comment button in order to post it. Other users will then be able to reply to your comments and make changes accordingly. Once a problem has been resolved, you can click on the Resolve button and the comment will be removed from your document. It will still be accessible, however, if you go up to your Comments menu at the top. Here you can see all the comments which have been added to your document, and those which have been resolved will have a green tick on the top right-hand corner. If you want to reopen a comment which had previously been marked as resolved, then you can click on the Reopen button and it will be restored to your document. If you want to reply to a comment, you simply need to click on the cell with the comment in and then go down to the Reply field at the bottom. Here you can type in your reply and then press the Reply button in order to add this. Also in the comment window, you'll see that on the right-hand side of any post that you've made, you have a set of 3 dots. If you click here, you'll see that you have the option to edit, delete, or create a link to your comment. This third option can be very useful if you want to send an email drawing a user's attention to a particular issue in a spreadsheet. So here we've seen how to use the comments and notes functions in Google Sheets in order to add supplementary information and to help you to collaborate with other users.